Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the Letter of Acceptance, or LOA, and the Letter of Award procedure in construction project management, during the contract mobilization stage. I'll take you through the actions that need to be taken before, during, and after issuing the Letter of Acceptance or Letter of Award. This process is mostly applicable to contracts, under the FIDIC conditions. Let's talk about it, stage by stage. First, let's look at the actions needed, before sending the Letter of Acceptance. Number 1, get approval to award the contract. This may come from the Cabinet, the Ministry, or the Project Director. And if there's any legal concern, you need to get clearance from the Attorney General. Number 2, get approval from the funding agency, especially if it's an external one. Number 3, get all the necessary approvals and permits from the relevant authorities. In my country, that includes institutions like RDA and UDA. Number 4, make sure the land is acquired, so it can be successfully handed over to the contractor, to carry out the work. And finally, check that the funding is ready. That means the budget is available, financing is arranged, and the payment method is set. Next, let's talk about what should happen when issuing the Letter of Acceptance. Number 1, make sure the LOA is sent within the bid validity period. Number 2, the LOA must be signed by the properly authorized person. Number 3, the LOA should clearly mention the total accepted contract amount. This includes the contingency, which covers price changes and utility adjustments, and the VAT, which should be shown separately. And number 4, the LOA should list all the documents that make up the contract, and clearly mention their order of priority. If there are new documents, like addenda, or an MOU, they should be included as well. Now, let's look at the basic content rules for the LOA. Rule number 1, the LOA must not include any new conditions, unless both parties have agreed, and it's supported by a signed MOU. Rule number 2, it must be signed by the proper authority, like the General Manager, the Project Director, or the Chairman. Rule number 3, copies of the LOA should be sent to all relevant authorities, such as the Ministry, Auditor General, and the Treasury. And rule number 4, it can also include instructions to the contractor, such as submitting an environmental action plan, within a given time period, if the project is environmentally sensitive. The Project Director or Manager must make sure that there are no conflicts between the LOA and the other contract documents. After the LOA is issued, the following things officially begin. First, the contract must be signed within 28 days after the contractor receives the LOA, unless stated otherwise. That's according to FIDIC. Second, the contractor must provide a performance security after receiving the LOA. Again, this is based on the FIDIC conditions. Third, the contractor will only receive advance payment, or mobilization payment, after submitting the advance payment guarantee and the performance security. And the employer should pay the first installment of the advance payment, within 42 days after giving the LOA, or within 21 days after receiving the required documents, whichever is later. And finally, the engineer must issue the instruction to commence work, within 180 days of the contractor receiving the LOA. If not, the contractor has the right to terminate the contract, according to FIDIC. This entire procedure ensures that all legal, financial, and logistical steps are completed, before, during, and after the Letter of Acceptance is issued. It also ensures that contract obligations are clearly understood, funds are in place, approvals are secured, and all parties follow the correct process to safely start the construction project.